So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your promo of up to $1,000, it's okay. I'm gonna leave 7 steps down below to apply a referral code retroactively. It takes about 30 seconds and you can do it right in your Uber driver app. A lot of people don't know that, but if you signed up for Uber and you never used a referral code, you know, it's not too late. You can actually go back and apply someone's code. Obviously, if you haven't signed up yet, you can just sign up normally. I'll have links down below for both Uber and Lyft. But yeah, if you signed up, you never used a code, it's not too late. Just follow the steps down below and you can get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. I am the founder of the Rideshare Hub. This is my channel where we talk about gig apps and different ways to make money. But in today's, wow, I don't know why my voice just cut out there for a second. I've been talking a lot. But today we're talking about, is Uber scamming drivers? And this, somebody posted about this in my Facebook group, and so we're gonna share the screenshot because I know you guys like to see these proofs. But this actually raises a very important issue that I have that I don't think a lot of people are thinking about. And I don't think a lot of drivers realize what exactly is going on. And it's, in my theory or hypothesis rather, is that this is the reason why most drivers quit after, you know, have you ever wondered why most drivers quit after 3 weeks? Most drivers, most Uber drivers only drive for about 3 weeks and then they quit. They sign up, drive for 3 weeks, and then they never do another ride again. Why is that? Well, we're gonna be talking about it today. And the people who, you know, have driven for years, including me, are we being scammed this whole time? Is Uber a scam? Is Lyft a scam? Is Rideshare a scam? Are gig apps, food delivery a scam? Not, I mean, not necessarily, right? But let's look at it and I'll let you guys decide. By the way, I'm drinking the zero sugar vitamin water, guys, okay? Basically just has, basically it's water with electrolytes and fake sugar. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to get, so now I'm gonna get into the story and show you guys. Before I get into it, if you can please hit the video, smash the thumbs up button, turn that thumbs up button blue if you drive for Uber, for Lyft, or if you just like these videos, please hit the video with the big thumbs up. I'm in the process of moving right now, and I'm still trying to get these videos out. Fortunately, I do have an SUV, so I didn't need to rent a U-Haul or anything, but I got, you know, I got a lot of stuff. I'm trying to save money. I'm trying not to buy new furniture, so, you know, it takes a lot of trips. Go from Orange County to LA to Orange County, and, you know, I'm not sleeping much. I'm basically moving boxes, filming videos, editing videos, and that's about it. Eating food here and there. Trying to exercise too. Moving is a great exercise, but I just wanted to say, you know, if you could just hit the thumbs up button just as an appreciation for me to keep filming these videos while I'm in the process of moving. But without further ado, let's get right into this. Here we go. This is Hawk Dufour in my Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group. By the way, you don't have to join this group. I really don't care. I don't even have this Facebook group linked in my description because I just, whatever, I don't really, it's whatever. But this is my Facebook group. If anybody you guys want to join, this is it. That's me right there, wearing this Rideshare Hub merch that I don't sell anymore. I don't know why I stopped selling merch. I kind of got over it. I don't know. Well, some people liked it. I feel like plugging merch is like when you only have 40,000 subscribers. Come on. I'm not Jake Paul for crying out loud. So here we go. How does Uber eat? So Uber Eats, whatever. This is the same thing with Uber, right? You could just say, how does Uber get away with robbing us so easily? Doesn't the IRS claim it takes 52 cents per mile to maintain a car? It's actually 57.5. It's actually 57.5 cents per business mile in 2020. So he's wrong on that one. It's actually more. He says we only get paid $5 for a 10-mile delivery. That's 50 cents a mile. Uber claims tipping isn't required, so essentially we were working for free unless we get a cool, generous person that knows tipping is absolutely not optional. So this is really good, Hawk Dufour. So it's actually worse than he says because it's 57.5 cents per mile. So this raises a very good point. And I'm just gonna prove it right now. I'm gonna go online with, right? let's see what type of trip I get. And let's see, I gotta confirm these things really quick. I'm gonna wear my put my face mask on. Always gotta take these selfies. What's up? Okay, take that off. Thanks for verifying, no problem. So I just want to show you guys, like, that's actually a really good point, because if you're driving, if you're gonna drive 10 miles for a ride, you should at least make, look at this. Oh, they canceled. That was weird. I don't even know what that was. Wow, they just ordered a ride and canceled it within seconds. I'm not gonna accept it, I'm gonna decline it. Hopefully it doesn't hurt my cancellation rate, but I just wanted to show you guys live if I can actually catch Uber scamming. It's a loose definition of the word scam, because with that mileage rate, that's an expense that you accrue. So if you're gonna put on 10 miles on your car, you need to at least make $5.75, right? Based on this, you know, this mileage rate. It used to be 58 cents. It actually went down to 57.5. I don't know how they do that with inflation and everything. Maybe because MPG is getting higher on average. I'm not getting any trips, but maybe I can just go into my earnings if you guys want, because I went out and did Uber. Oh, look at this one. 8.3 miles. Okay, I'm gonna go offline for a second because I just want to show you guys this. Look at this. So I went out and did Uber recently, right? I'm an Uber driver, despite what you guys hear on the internet. That's Uber Eats. That's Uber Eats. This is Uber though, right? So I only got tipped $1, but look at this. I did a ride that I got $4 for doing. Let's see how many miles, and I put on 3 miles on my car. So I mean, that's not really like a scam, but the thing is, if you go, my rate card here is generally higher than most areas, but I do know in some areas the rate is like less than 50 cents. If it's less than 57.5 cents per mile, it's a big question, because you're putting on more miles on your car. You're basically paying a mile on your car and you're getting back less than you're accruing in payment based on the IRS. So your expenses technically will be higher than your revenue. So you're right? Yeah. So basically you're basically at a negative profit. Which is crazy, but hey, let's see what the other people have to say. Don't take Eats trips, then it's your choice. That's not the point. The point is they don't even pay enough to cover maintenance and taxes. Exactly, Hawk. I actually agree with Hawk. You're driving in the wrong area. It comes out to about 50 cents per mile. Yeah. I know in Arizona it's like 30 cents, 32 cents or something. Look at Tim Kerber. The logic that I've never understood is that people say you get to claim the mileage deduction. Uber pays on top of that. So the reason you are able to claim the mileage deduction is because it's an expense. It's not like free money. Like, there's a reason they have those estimated. I think if I weren't making money that I wouldn't drive. Pretty simple, says Bob. Yeah, I mean, fair point, but if you don't like it, then get a real job. I mean, the problem is this guy's just trying to raise a conversation, and he actually raises a really, really good point. The problem is that most people just say, you know, quit, which is not really a good answer. Stop doing it, look for a real job. Yeah, everybody says this. Everybody just says, then just quit. I mean, better than DoorDash. $5.75 for a 30-mile trip one way. Yeah, so And the problem is, I mean, most people aren't even correcting him on the 50 cents per mile. Only one person did, which is another problem, is that most people don't even know what the mileage rate is. You're a welder, Penny. The thing is, when Uber need you, they put... We don't get paid from Uber and Lyft. We pay Uber and Lyft for finding customers for us and for running a computer system that helps us do ride sharing. If they are charging too much, drop them and buy the same services from somewhere else. Yeah, I mean, these comments are a little not supportive. Tipping is optional, you greedy moron. People are not really... Yeah, Iris is 58 cents per mile. That was last year in 2019. It's 57.5 cents now. That is why I turn off Uber Eats. Lyft is amazing. Make $400 a day. I love them. Tara loves them. Screenshot with hours included, or it didn't happen. Sorry, who are you? I'm not... Yeah, I would never share a screenshot with somebody who's like, you know, being mean to you. You seem to be confused. There's a difference between mileage pay and mileage reimbursement. It's not a reimbursement though. It's not a reimbursement. It's a deduction. You're not getting that cash back. Reimbursement is cash back. So Eric, like, the people who are arguing in here are not using any logic. So, I mean, the problem here is that he's raising a really good issue, but people are not, you know, people like should, I mean, yeah, maybe, you know, the answer is you don't drive for them. But at the same time, you know, he's trying to spark up this conversation. I mean, 5 people are laughing at the post. It's not, I mean, I'll give him a thumbs up for it just because I think it's a good point. But anyways, that's all I have for today's video. Make sure to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.